Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. In my last video, I was telling you that after breaking out the triangle on the 4-hourly time frame, the price line can make another attempt to break out a falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame, and then we can expect a breakout of a very big resistance of the previous support of the triangle that is now working as a resistance, and then it can re-enter the triangle. And we have seen that recently the price line has broken out this resistance of the triangle that I was talking about, and it is rejected by the resistance of the wedge. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to have a reversal move from here, or we are going to move more down to test the support of this wedge. But before moving to the charts, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you this triangle that I was showing you, that the price line, it was moving at that time inside this ascending triangle. And on the daily time frame, by the way, we are in a down in this falling wedge pattern, and on the weekly time frame we have just broken down this support of the triangle, and we were likely to break out this resistance of the previous support of the triangle that is now working as a resistance. And I told you that once we will have a breakout from here, then we can expect a move up to approximately 5.5 cents. If I place this trend line here, then we can see this was our target, and the price line has rallied beyond that. It rallied up to 5.9 cents, and now it is moving to the downside. And if I extend this line, then we can see that right now the price line, after this rally, it is testing the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. And if this test will be successful, then we can expect another powerful reversal towards the upside. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here we have seen, as I told you, that once the price line will break out this resistance of the triangle, then it can make a powerful attempt to break out the resistance of this wedge as well. And you can see that exactly from the resistance of the wedge, the price line is rejected, and also the previous resistance, the previous support of the triangle, it is also rejected from that support as well, and now it is moving towards the downside. Now, if we switch back to this 4-hourly time frame, then here we have this previous resistance of the triangle approximately at 4.6 cents that can now work as a very strong support. And within the next few hours we can expect a reversal move from here, because this is a really nice bullish gesture that after breaking out any pattern, the price line retests the previous resistance as a support and starts the next move towards the upside. So the next few hours are again really very important. In my last video, I told you that within the next few hours the price line can break out this resistance of the triangle, and these are the final hours. And again, these are the final hours, like previously we had, that the price line may have some accumulation from here above this support, and then it will start the next reversal move and make another attempt to break out this resistance of the wedge and also the previous support of the triangle that is now working as a very strong resistance. So this was the update so far. I hope that y'all like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.